Hello students, welcome back in your M Science class. Today we are going to start our unit 8, Be Satisfied, Be Happy. A successful person should have a desires in the life, otherwise the life will move like a aimless boat and will end up nowhere. When the desire changes into greed, it brings along with it lots of suffering and pain. So one should have the desire to earn more money, but when making money becomes the only purpose of life, it leads to problems. So this is not a good habit to making more money. So be satisfied means to be happy what you have, even when one continues the struggle to achieve more. So be satisfied what you have. So today we will discuss one story, that is greed leads to danger. Once a fox lived in a forest one day, and he is a very greedy eater. The fox is a very greedy eater. Night and day he ate everything and trying to fill his big round belly. One morning the fox met with an elephant. See in this picture, the fox met with an elephant, and elephant said, I am going to a feast. And then the fox said, a feast without me? It should never happen in this forest. I have never missed a feast so far. I won't miss this one too. So he is very happy to know about that. He is also going to enjoy the feast. But after that, a deer going down the path in the other direction. See in this picture, the deer going down the path in the other direction and said, I am going to feast. The fox exclaimed that there are two feasts are there. He is very happy to know about the two feasts. But then he wondered that if I go to the wrong feast, first I might not get anything to eat. The fox could not think of it. So he thought of a plan. See in this picture, he arranged two ropes and tied them around his waist. See in this picture that he arranged two ropes and tied them around his waist and sent his two sons with the end of the ropes in opposite direction. One son in one direction and other in other direction. And he waited patiently. After some time, one pulled his thread and he was ready to walk in that direction. After some time, at the same time, the other pulled his thread also. See in this picture, after some time, one son pulled his thread and both the sons pulled the thread from both the sides and knots become tighter. See in this picture, the knots become very tighter and the fox cried for help. And fox realized that greed was dangerous. Firstly, he thinks that there are two feasts and he is very happy that he enjoyed both of the feast because he is very greedy about to eat. But at the last, fox realized that greed was dangerous. So the message of this story is we have to be satisfied what we have. If a person is not satisfied, he will always have ever increasing greed. So be satisfied and be happy, otherwise greed leads to the danger. Be satisfied what you have. Do not feel that thing you don't have and you greed about that. Be satisfied with the things that you have. So there is a difference between desire and greed. See. Desire guides one always through right path. Means desire guides one always through the right path, and the greed compels one to take wrong steps to achieve something. So greed is not a good thing, it compels one to take wrong paths. Desire gives some satisfaction. Means when we have the desire to catch up the things and we got it, then we are satisfied. Means desire gives some satisfaction, but the greed never produces satisfaction. When we have the greed to achieve something, there is no satisfaction. Desire is innocent and sincere, and greed tends to false. Desire leads to hard work. Greed looks for easy shortcuts. Desire never does cheating, but greed may make us to use of it. So in this chapter we will learn one story, that is greed leads to a danger, a story of a fox, that he is very greedy eater. Fox was a greedy eater. So there are some questions based on this story. The first question is, what happens if one does not have any desire? If I have doesn't have any desire, then what happens? If one does not have any desire, then life moves like an aimless boat, that we discussed previously, that life moves like an aimless boat and will end up nowhere. And the next one question is, what does greed bring along with it? Greed always bring a lot of pain and suffering along with it. Next one is, why should we have money? Why should we have money? It help us to got some lives like freedom, independence, lots of things we buy with the money. So you can write anything according to your sense. Next one is, what do you mean by to be satisfied? It is clear in the starting that to be satisfied means to be happy. You are contented and you don't need anything more. You are happy with what you have. So students, try to go through the chapter 4 or 5 times and try to solve all the exercises and write it on your notebooks. Note on your homework. Chapter 8, question answers, true, false, message of the story, write on your notebook. Next is your activity. The activity is the nature is the best teacher. We can learn a lot from it. Observe the various things you see in nature and write what message you get from them. See the various things that you see in the nature. The first one is sun. Sun is natural. Second one is plants. You can see there are many plants. Okay. Next one is birds. You see many birds in the nature that are very beautiful. See here, many types of birds are there. Next one is food. In our India, the food is very, colorful, means colorful vegetables, colorful fruits. So this is also a part of nature. You can see many types of foods are there. Next one is animals. There are many animals in the nature. You can see there are many types of animals. See, all the things are in nature. Sun, plants, birds, food, animals. Nature gives us sunlight, rain, food, water, seasons, flower, everything. And it teaches us to be calm, patient, kind, and many more things. Nature teaches us how to grow and survive in the situation. So you can see the things that you get in the nature and try to write at least 10 to 12 lines on the nature, that what nature teaches us. Okay, thank you.